is she?
Sitting in her vehicle.
Okay.
With the air on. She's got her dog with her.
Cool.
She
in the 1070?
Yeah, I called for 1070 times 2.
Okay.
I just told her to make sure she works on getting a ride to get her home and out of here.
Where did it happen? This intersection? She's making a left?
Huh?
Oh, I see. She's making a left?
No, I think one vehicle was coming across and the other vehicle was going west. And there's a point of impact right there in that lane there.
Okay.
Lady in the pink shirt. Someone ran.
You okay?
They ran a red light. They ran the red light. My husband's on.
Did you witness it? Just give me 1 minute. Gordon Gulfport. Just advise fire rescue. We're in the entrance to Ballon Isles Drive. We have a vehicle in each direction.
My husband's on blood thinners and he's bleeding.
Okay, we got fire rescue coming.
My husband's on blood thinners and he's bleeding. My husband's on blood thinners and he's bleeding.
Okay, man, we got somebody coming. Just hold pressure on that arm for me.
My arm has been broken.
No, on your wound there, sir. Just hold some pressure on that. What's wrong with you, ma'am?
My arm's just broken.
Okay, try not to move it. All right, we got somebody on the way.
This is you?
That's mine. My kids are in there. And the one that's up on the curb. That's
I believe she's a witness and the guy in the black BMW is a witness.
So what happened, it's one of the Williams sisters.
Let's stand off the roadway.
That is in the accident. So she was coming out of Steeplechase.
Okay, which car was coming out?
That one.
Okay.
With one of the sisters.
Okay.
It was coming out, and what ended up happening is her light had turned red. Ours went.
You were just driving that, right? Okay, I'm trying to keep track of everybody. So you witnessed what happened? Yeah. All right. This is the traffic crash investigator. He's just going to get your information real quick and talk to you about what happened, all right?
Okay.
And you're sure you're fine? Okay. Anybody else in the car with you?
My dog is in the
Dog all right?
I have the engine running in the air.
What's that?
I have the engine running in the air conditioning.
Okay, but he didn't go flying or anything, did he? Does your car move at all?
I kept it where it was.
Okay. Here's one if yours is drivable or not. Do you think it's drivable?
What?
Do you think you can drive it at all?
I can, yes.
All right, I'll cancel the tow for you then. We probably might be able to move this one up to that median brake if you can do that for me.
Like in the middle?
You see where the median brake is just before the guardhouse?
Yeah.
You just pull right in there. Here you go. Fell out of your car. Does it move or is it? All right, we'll just leave it then. Nah, something. We'll leave it. I hear something in there. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
No, I have a license.
I'm sorry? And this is your current address? Grand Key? Looks like insurance. She says she's fine, she's not injured.
What's that?
She says she's not injured.
Okay, I'm just checking for leaks here.
Okay. She's looking for her registration, but here's her license and her
Okay.
insurance so far.
Okay, excellent. Are you injured, Miss Williams? You're okay? They hit that car.
Oh, okay. Who's driving that?
SUV, yeah, she was fine.
She wants to know when.
Miss Williams, here's your driver's license back, and here's your insurance back. Okay, this is the first page of the crash report. It contains driver, vehicle, and insurance information. The number I've circled is the crash report number, okay? This is all your information, and this is all the other people's information. Based on what you told me, and what the witnesses told me, everybody's telling me the same thing. That you came out of the steeplechase, and you kind of got stuck. You got stuck in the middle where you had a green light, so you had the right of way when you started to exit, but because you got stuck in the middle of the intersection, you lost that right of way. The other car is coming westbound on a green light, and they were already traveling, so they had no way of knowing that you were going to come across. So I think you lost your right of way, but you were stuck in the intersection. Okay, so my report will say that. I'll explain exactly what happened, that you were coming out on a green light, you got caught in the intersection, and then the other light changed, giving them the right of way. So I will say that you're at fault in this crash, but I'm not citing you for the crash, because I think you got stuck in the middle of the intersection. So it's one of those situations where you had the right of way, but you kind of lost the right of way. Because
So in a situation like that, what do you do?
I,
Because you can't back up.
I leave, exactly. You just got stuck in a bad situation there. So I just let the insurance companies work it out. Okay, I'm not giving you a citation. I don't feel comfortable writing a citation when I'm not 100% sure, and I'm not 100% sure in this case, because you had the right of way, you lost the right of way. They had the right of way also. It's just one of those awkward situations. Do you have any questions for me?